perfect because Rita is, in her own way, as damaged as me. I'm gonna tell you something that I've never told anyone before.
Okay. I'm a serial killer.
Accept you, Dexter, like a brother. I killed my brother. I killed yours too.
That's right, motherfuckers. It's over.
Jesus Christ, Morgan. Jesus fucking Christ, you're the Bay Harbor Butcher.
I really hate that name.
Jesus Christ, man.
You said that.
I always knew there was something with you. But this shit,
What can I say? You were right about me.
you thought I was crazy for becoming a cop. I had skills, I could have written my own ticket. But lately I thought they might have been right, but this?
It was me. The idea of a code was one thing, a grand idea, a noble cause, but the reality of it. Harry walked in on what he created, and he couldn't live with himself.
What, Morgan? What now?
I killed my father.
Can't wait to kill again. You are a fucking serial killer. You are gonna fail this boy 1,000 different ways because of him.
I wonder if Rita's looking at this same moon at this same moment. I like that. Connected by light.